Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're a music fan who loves that classic retro look but wants modern wireless power, deep bass and smart features without the bulk of old school speakers, then get ready to groove because today we're cranking up a timeless icon. It's the JBL Authentics 300 retro style wireless Bluetooth speaker. This beauty delivers rich JBL Pro sound with up to 8 hours of battery, built-in voice assistance and multi-room playback for whole home audio. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description and trust me, if you want booming sound with customizable EQ, Wi-Fi streaming, and a leather-wrapped design that looks amazing in any room, this is the speaker that'll make every playlist feel like a party. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break it down and see why it's an Authentics must-have in 2026. First, the feature breakdown on the JBL Authentics 300 retro-style wireless Bluetooth speaker. This is a compact yet powerful smart speaker with a vintage-inspired design featuring premium level-like wrapping, aluminium accents, and a classic quadrex grille for that 70s aesthetic that's both stylish and durable. It has dual 1-inch tweeters, dual 4-inch woofers, and passive radiators for 180 watt output with deep, punchy bass, clear mids, and bright highs that fill large rooms without losing detail. It supports built-in Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice control to play music, check weather, or manage smart home devices. Plus, AirPlay 2, Chromecast built-in, and Spotify Connect for seamless high-res streaming. Bluetooth 5.0 provides stable connections up to 30 feet with multi-point pairing for 2 devices. And multi-room audio lets you group with other JBL speakers for whole home sound. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 8 hours at moderate volume, recharging in 4 hours via USB-C, and it has a 3.5mm aux input for wired sources. The JBL One app offers 3-band EQ for custom tuning, stereo pairing with another Authentics 300 for wider soundstage, software updates and voice prompt customization. Physical retro knobs control volume, bass and treble for quick adjustments without the app. Priced around $299, it's lightweight at 17.6 pounds with dimensions of 16.3 inches wide by 9.3 high by 10.4 deep. Available in black or walnut for a premium look. Versatility is a standout. Use it as a smart hub with voice assistance for daily routines, a party speaker with multi-room sync for events, or take it outdoors with battery power for picnics. It's great for blending nostalgic style with modern performance in any space. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are rocking strong. Powerful JBL Pro sound with deep bass and room-filling clarity that doesn't distort at high volumes. Dual built-in voice assistants for easy smart home control. Solid 8-hour battery for portable freedom without outlets. Iconic retro design that doubles as stylish decor. An app EQ with multi-room capabilities for personalized listening. Users love how it combines vintage looks with modern punch. The seamless voice integration for playlists or tasks, and the battery that lasts through long sessions. It's reliable, fun, and elevates any room into an audio haven. On the con side, the 17.6-pound weight makes it less ultra-portable than smaller speakers. No waterproof rating, so it's best indoors or covered areas. The app is required for advanced features like stereo pairing, which some find basic, and some note bass can be boomy in small rooms, though most say the knobs balance it well. Overall, pros dominate for home users. My recommendation? Absolutely. Go for the JBL Authentics 300 retro-style wireless Bluetooth speaker if you love music and smart tech, and the pros like sound quality, battery life, and design make sense for you. It's ideal for home entertainers, retro fans, or anyone wanting a speaker that looks as good as it sounds. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your grooves going, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and gets you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helps, give it a like, share with a music friend, or subscribe for more. See you next time.